Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Microsoft Word and creating a new document. This gets you working right away. Once Word loads, click Blank Document or pick a template to match your goal, and make sure to save immediately with Ctrl+S to avoid data loss. You should also set the save location Documents or OneDrive so you can find it later. If prompted, sign in to sync settings and templates. Doing this now prevents interruptions when you edit on another device. Now you write and structure the document. Start with headings using the Styles pane so navigation and a table of contents work later. As you type, apply bold, italic, or underline with Ctrl+B, Ctrl+I. Adjust paragraph spacing and alignment to improve readability. Insert page breaks when sections change, and add images or tables to convey data visually. Once done, use Find and Replace to fix repeated errors, and review the navigation pane to ensure your sections. You finish by proofreading and exporting the file, run spelling and grammar and review comments, then accept or reject track changes so the document is clean. Make formatting final, check margins, headers, and page size, then export as PDF or print. If something goes wrong, try Auto Recover to retrieve unsaved content, or check OneDrive version history for earlier saves. Finally, save a copy with a new name if you need a different revision, and close Word to free system resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.